Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Instead of posting a vlog for this week's video, I thought maybe I should switch it up and talk about some of my favorite things recently. I usually see people post these type of videos around the end of the year or beginning of the year. I did not film one for the end of the year or for the beginning of the year, but I still want to share with you guys what some of my favorite things have been recently. So that's what this video is. I have a list here of a lot of things, of like some of my favorite K-pop things, clothes, skincare, makeup, just things like that, because that's the stuff I'm really into at the moment. Obviously my favorite things are going to be in a list of those things. Let's start off with my favorite K-pop albums. I have a lot of favorite albums, but I only put down a few, like some of my top favorites, because if I put all of my favorite K-pop albums down on a list, I think it would just go on and on and never stop. So I only picked out a few for today. My first number one favorite K-pop album is ᴅＳOIR by Stray Kids. That is my favorite album in K-pop, my favorite Stray Kids album, my favorite album in general. I live, laugh, love, eat, sleep that album. That is like my favorite album of all time. The photo shoot was beautiful. The music videos, along with the astronaut music video, girl. The ᴅSOIR music video, gorgeous. Everything in that album is just fabulous. The photo cards are really cute. The photo shoot is really cute. The photo book is really cute. The album design is beautiful. Every song on the album is a masterpiece. I just love everything about that album. And ᴅSOIR is my favorite Stray Kids song, by the way. Like, ᴅSOIR and Awkward Silence are my top two Stray Kids songs by far. Next on the list, I have a physical album to show you guys, because not only do I like the actual album itself, I really like the album design. So the next album on my list is the Maxident album by Stray Kids. Look how cute this album is. This version right here, my favorite, my most favorite ever. It is beautiful. It's got little hearts. The pink, y'all. Besides the actual album design, the songs in this album: Can't Stop, Super Bored, Case 143. Must I say more? Must I say anything more? And then these photos were released with this album. Like, hello. Yeah, this album is one of the best albums ever, and I stand by that. Another one of my favorite albums is Shalala by Taeyang, and the reason why it's my favorite is because Taeyang is one of my alt biases, and he finally released a solo album, like physical solo album, not just like his solo music that he worked on. Shalala is one of the best solo albums in the history of solo albums, I think. The whole album is just beautiful. My favorite songs are 4/4, File Not Found, and Ruby. Beautiful songs. I love those songs so much. I could listen to them all day. Think about that album. I swear, everything about every album is just on this list. It's just fabulous. But moving on. Next album is Glitch Mode by NCT Dream, which the reason why this is one of my favorite albums is because when I listened to it the first time, I was just like, whoa. And I saw like almost the whole album live at their concert, and they played Better Than Gold. I was screaming. Yes, I was. I like, who wouldn't scream over Better Than Gold, over Jisung Better Than Gold, over Renjun. Okay, I love the whole Glitch Mode album. That album is so fire.
Fire?
Like, it's just, if I could experience that album again for the first time, I 100% would. Last album I have on the list is Melting Point by 0 by Swan. Big surprise, right? I like totally don't talk about it at all. Like, I mean, who am I? This album is one of the best albums. The music, Melting Point, Take My Hand, Good Night, Kid Zone, Crush. I mean, come on. Those are some fire songs right there. Melting Point is my favorite song on the album. When this album came out, I knew it was for me because I saw like the pink and white design and I was like, that's for me. Thank you. Because Zero Base One is like my group. I mean, just saying. Just saying. I have everything to do with this album, especially this version right here. I don't know what version this is. Maybe Fantasy? I don't know. The concept photos to this album, the photo cards, the inclusions, the design of the album itself is magical. And this album makes me feel magical. So, I love that album a lot, you could say. Now, moving on to the next category, which is clothes. Recently, I've been trying to get into styling outfits more and getting just different pieces from my closet because most of the time I just wear like anime shirts and shorts around the house. But I'm trying to build up my wardrobe to be like actual clothes, kind of like this. It's simple, but it's fabulous. Since I've gotten some new pieces in my wardrobe, I have gotten some new favorite pieces in my wardrobe. I think my number one favorite clothing item at the moment is this pink sweater from H&M. I actually thrifted it, but this sweater right here, I am obsessed with. I wear this all the time. It's very cozy, very soft. It's in a lot of my Instagram posts because I just like won't stop wearing it. But it's very cute and I can't believe I thrifted this. Like, I thrifted this. That's just crazy to me. Next thing is another sweater. I really like sweaters, what can I say? It is the pink bunny sweater that I also wear a whole lot because, I mean, who wouldn't? It's so cute. It's got bows on it. You see that? Just like, it's one of the best pieces of clothing that I have. Next is, I love my boyfriend Han Yujin shirt. I wear this bad boy a whole lot. I mean, you can kind of just tell that I wear it a lot. And now I'm like obsessed with it. It's one of my favorite shirts ever. And Yujin is my boyfriend, so I mean, it works. Next thing is another piece that I actually wear a lot, almost with every outfit ever. I'd wear it with this shirt just because, like, I don't know, I feel like it goes with so much because it's just simple. I mean, this color goes with anything. It is my white skirt that I got for the NCT Dream concert, but I wear it for like everything. This is my go-to skirt. If I want to wear an outfit and I don't know what skirt to wear, but white can go with the outfit, this bad boy is coming out of the closet and I'm wearing it. I'll be wearing the skirt forever. Like, this is my favorite skirt and it just like, I feel like it's very flattering on me. I don't know. Then the next thing is actually something I got more recently. It is these pink pants right here. They are some of the comfiest pants I have ever worn. And if you guys know, I do not like pants, but these make me love pants. These are so comfortable, very just like awesome in every single way possible. Yeah, these are my favorite pants at the moment, even though I'm not a pant lover whatsoever. That's saying something about these pants. The next thing is another thing that I got recently, and it is this Hello Kitty and Daniel PJ set that I have right here. It, like I said, Hello Kitty and Daniel, so it's got both of them on here. It is so soft, very, very comfortable, and these are just like my go-to pajamas at the moment. I could wear them all day. I could wear them all day if I wanted to and just feel fabulous because look how cute they are. The next category is my favorite plushies. Now, I have a lot of plushies. I have all these ones on my bed here, more under my bed in a box, more in my closet, and more in other places of my house. It was hard picking out favorites. It was. but I did it. I was able to pick out favorites out of all my plushies, and I'm gonna show you them. Avi, my favorite above all plushies that I have, this plushie right here. My most favorite plushie ever. She's just like the cutest plushie and the one that means the most to me, and like, it's my baby. I sleep with this plushie every night. Yeah, I sleep with a stuffed animal every night. I don't care if I'm almost 17 years old, I will forever sleep with the plushie. My next favorite is this bunny plushie that I got in the summertime of last year. I named it ᴅᴢ, so that's one of the reasons why it's one of my favorites. But also just look how cute it is. It's also pretty soft, and I love the pom-poms, and I just like, it's a cute plushie. And then next is this huge plushie right here. Her name is, what's your name? Nadine? Oh, she's going down. I got this for Christmas. Look how cute she is. Like, she's me if I were a plushie. She's just the cutest. I don't think there needs to be an explanation. She's just fabulous in every way, and I love her. The last thing on the list of my favorite plushies are all of my Sanrio Squishmallow plushies. I have so many. That's why I'm categorizing them down to Sanrio plushies instead of like specific My Melody, Tuxedo Sam. Like, the list could go on. I have some here behind me. I love my Sanrio Squishmallows. They are so cute, and I mean, they're Sanrio, so they're gonna be my fave because Sanrio is one of my favorite things ever. So now I'm gonna tell you my favorite makeup, because as you can tell, I wear makeup, and I don't wear makeup every day, but when I do, I always use these products because they are my favorite products. I stand by every one of these products. Starting off is my iconic Air Volume Mega Mascara by L'Oreal Paris. This mascara, look at it, look at it, look at it. This is after like 2 hours of wear. I love this mascara. This is my favorite mascara. It has been for about 3 years now, I want to say. Next is the Radiant Cream Concealer by Neutrogena. I love this concealer, guys. It's a medium buildable coverage, and I really love that because I need to cover my dark circles and my pimples and whatnot when I have them, and this does the job. Next is my favorite makeup product ever because I wear it all the time, is this e.l.f. liquid eyeliner. You see, that's the eyeliner I wear in every video. I've been using this bad boy since I started wearing eyeliner in 2020. I love this eyeliner so much. My last favorite makeup products are the Maybelline Fit Me blushes, but specifically in the shade 25, which is Pink Rose, and then in the shade 20, which is Mauve. It's a little shiny blush. These blushes are what I'm wearing right now. As of right now, these are my favorites in this combination. I love these blushes so much. Those are my favorite makeup products. And on the same subject of kind of makeup is skincare. Now, I do my skincare every morning and every night because I think skincare is very important. I use a lot of skincare products, like a lot, and I wasn't gonna bring them out to show you all of them, so I only brought a few out to show you. First product I have to show you is the Pacific Pink Ahaba toner. I love this. As you can tell, I've used up more than half of the bottle. Like, I love this toner. Also, if I can find the link to all these products, Pacific products, because I only really use Pacific products in my skincare, like Pacific is my girl. She's got me. She's got me. If I can find the links to these products, I will link them down below in my description, so look out for those. Next skincare product is this brightening essence serum. I love this because it genuinely does make a difference. Maybe not like a huge difference, but I can tell. And as you can tell, I do like this. the bottle almost being gone. Next is the Origin Eye Cream. My #1 in skincare. This is my second or third tube of this stuff, and I have more that I will be using. I love it so much. So much. So that is all I have for today's video, and those are all of my favorites as of right now. I wonder if anything is going to change by the end of this year, because my favorites do tend to change quite often actually. Skincare has kind of been my favorite for the past 2 years that I've been using Nicivic skincare, so I don't think that will change, but who knows, I might find cuter clothing pieces, might find better makeup than this, even though I don't think nothing gets better than this mascara right here. There might be a new K-pop album release that I like more than Melting Point. Who knows? We'll just have to find out by the end of the year. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and comment down some of your favorite things, because I want to know what you guys are into and what are your favorite things. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!